Okay, I think we're live. Just checking everything. Yep, we're live. Hey, it's
Woohoo.
Pat Lorna from The Coolest Couple. And today we're doing another Facebook Live training. And again, a giveaway, like a PDF that you can use. Your customer journey. Plan it out using your cool automated marketing map.
So it's not a funnel, it's your customer's journey with you.
Right.
It's where they go, right? It's their path along the way, interacting with your brand.
People don't care about your funnels.
No, they don't.
What they care about is what they're going to get out of it, right?
That's right.
It's their journey with you.
Right.
Okay, so here's an overview of our cool, your cool automated marketing map. I always want to say ours because, well, from my point of view, this is our cool, cool automated marketing map. But we're giving it to you, so it's going to be your cool automated marketing map. How's that for an
That's awesome.
an oxymoron, eh?
That's right.
Okay, let's dive into this a bit.
So first of all, if you want to download this cool marketing map, what you do is you go to thecoolestcouple.com/simple funnel, and you can download it from there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's talk about the first step, right? You send traffic somewhere. You got to send it somewhere, and hopefully you're sending it to your lead opt-in capture page, right?
Right.
So that's the most first step.
Right, and and the traffic comes from social media, the ads you use, and even your website visitors, right?
Yeah, what we just did there, right? Go to
Simple funnel.
thecoolestcouple.com/simple funnel, right?
Right.
Go to a lead opt-in, right? A capture page. Okay, the next step, they've opted in.
You send them a thank you page.
Thank you page, right?
And of course, now that you have their email address, you can send them follow-up emails. But don't inundate them with like email after email after email. But again, they'll probably tell you what they like or don't like. If it's too much, they may tell you that. If it's not enough, they might say, hey, where are you? You know what I mean? Like you can sort of tweak it.
Right.
So in those emails, you're going to provide more value.
Mm-hmm. Could be other PDFs. It could be like a Facebook Live. It could be webinars. And then at some point, that's why there's this dotted line here. At some point, you're maybe going to send them to a sales page. But don't do it all the time because people are just going to opt out. You got to provide value first.
And of course, after the sales page, if they buy, then you can send them a thank you page again. And on the thank you page, you can have upsells if you like.
Right. And again, you'd have more follow-up emails.
And in the follow-up emails, again, you provide more value again.
Videos, Facebook Lives, webinars. I mean, that's the most important part. You're providing value all the time. So what we're trying to show you here on this just is a very simple marketing map of way to get people into your funnels, right?
And again, after you provide more value through your emails and stuff, you send them to another sales page for other products that you have. Because, you're not going to have just one simple product, right?
Well, hopefully you have more than one product.
More than one product, yeah. You might have a lower end one which they purchase, and now you can maybe send them to some of your back end offers, your higher end ticket price.
Right, yeah. And again, it goes back to the repeat, thank you page, emails, adding value, add more sales. So that's it. Nothing complicated, but we wanted to give you this your cool automatic marketing map that you can use. Helps you, please download it. You can go to thecoolestcouple.com/simple funnel and you can grab that now.